Hello, over here there. Hello, hello. Festus.
Who is that
Oh,
calling me?
John Bull, John Bull. So, how are things with you this morning?
I am blessed. God is good. God is good.
I'm going down to the farm. I have some cassava where I want to go plant up and 2 head of yam.
You are make use of
Fi
the
go
rain we
dig.
get, man. You are gonna do good, man.
The yam them come up, so I want to go dig 1 2 hill of yam. Fi go and market come weekend. So, how is everyone doing?
God is very good to me. This God is very good to all.
Okay, okay, I'm glad you're alright. So, you know, no breadfruit round the back there.
Well, one dry, I thief
Find
pick
your
off all
breadfruit
the
tree.
breadfruit them round at the back
I
of
would
the
have take
yard.
2 breadfruit when me I come back from ground. But in the 6 o'clock when we come back. Oh, morning, Mass Festus. And John Bull. And we are the yes or no?
Me I got grung, but
Oh,
me there a
Festus.
reason with my
I
asbestos
beg you let me a
clear.
donkey to be around about me. Me a go down a bush. The market people them a come later on. Fi come get some provision, fi come go a tongue bus him. So me want go down a bush they go get. Fi go reap some things. Fi carry up for them. When they come. So me a beg you let me a donkey there. Oh,
Brutus
round a
tie up
back.
round her
Oh,
back there.
alright. Alright. Hold on, let me make it figure out the for the donkey. Alright, thank you, thank you. Me not steal on a bush because a friend yesterday, me a read. So, me now go down the gut and land. And we soon come back with the donkey, you hear? Alright, thank you. My asbestos, imagine me and you a friend. And me come here turn up a chat with you and a the donkey me want fi borrow. Eh? Fi go over hill, fi carry up the provision them. Eh? The hill of yam where me a plan fi go dig and other things where me a plan fi go over bush go get. And see, Mass Lester him come. And Mass Lester, how you want no friend like me and you and Master Lester this come and ask for the donkey. And you tell him say if he go round a back go look for the donkey and go on a bush. And me there. You know me not think me about a go on a bush today because me not go able manage them a whole heap or something. If you go down a bush. Me not go manage at all. If you go down a bush. Oh, me I go care hope so much Lord. And Saturday me have to go to market. Go sell. So, well, tomorrow then me have to go see if me go a bush. Because me not go manage all of them the things there. The only thing me can do now is we go dig out the 2 yama left the same place a bush and tomorrow me borrow the donkey and go back for them. Because me not go manage it. And look how long me there turn up and talk with you to see if me get a donkey for borrow. And him this wheeling horse and come and ask about the donkey and you send him round and back with the donkey the way he. Mass Lester, you hand on portion a friend. You know the amount of time me and Mass Lester talk about you. I say how you mean. Eh? And all sort of things him a talk about you. And me there you want the donkey fi borrow. I could have beat myself. The time me take for the yard talk with you, me should have asked for the donkey and go on where me I go. About how I know me there turn up a talk with you. And you never even said to me, say, if I the donkey me want to borrow, and you see how me lean with the things them on my shoulder, and you don't ask me no question. and you take up the donkey and lend it to Lester. Eh? Why
But
Festus, you know,
John Bull, you
easy at all,
always
you
lean,
know,
so me
man.
no
You're
know
going
if of these
easy.
things they make you lean or so
John
you
Bull,
lean.
you can't quarrel with me, Festus, you know, man. Eh? Because you come on here about a hour ago and attack. And if you feel to say you want the donkey fi borrow, you should have tell me say you want the donkey fi borrow. Eh? But you come and turn up attack and me no mind read if you know say you want donkey fi borrow. Eh? I never know say you want donkey fi borrow. Unless him know this come and say how they do and say one donkey fi borrow. Me no know. Say you want donkey fi go carry things from bush. Lester John Bull, you know should I say what you want. Say you can't quarrel with me. Eh? Oh you fi come quarrel with me. Eh? And you come on here and before you say what you want to say, you come and talk about different things. You should have said what you want to say, man. Hmm? Eh? Say what you want to say. Because me not read mine. Eh? And now you come and quarrel with me, say how Lester come and come take donkey and go with donkey. No, man. They can't bother with the problem, you know, man. Eh? Me go and get rid of that donkey, you know.